Okay guys, welcome back to What's in the Barn. Today I've got Paul and his absolutely gorgeous, stunning, straight 79 TE Cortina. Let's check it out. Coming out, brother. Got Paul with me. He's bought his, as I mentioned earlier, his absolutely stunning TE Cortina. Do you want to tell us a bit about your build, mate?
Yeah.
Where did it all start?
Well, back in the early 80s or mid 80s, I guess it was
Yeah.
my first car. Half of my family had Cortinas, and
Yeah.
I decided I wanted to get one as well.
Yeah.
Young 15-year-old kid.
Yeah.
Started looking around, and my dad took me out to pick one up, and
Yep.
it sort of started from there.
I tell you what, I mentioned to you earlier that my sister had one.
Yeah.
And we put a 250 crossflow in it.
Yeah.
But when you pulled up, mate, I know I've seen the photos, but this is probably one of the nicest TE Cortinas I've ever seen.
Cheers, mate.
It's so straight. The wheels look awesome. You've got a bit of dish on the back. Even little.
Dish, but it looks alright.
No one ever has enough dish.
No.
But even like, you know, the chrome trim around here, just stuff like that, just actually makes the car. Do you want to tell us a bit about? I noticed, like your bumper bars and stuff had a little bit of modification.
Yeah.
Do you want to run us through that?
The bumpers, the original Cortina bumpers have these stupid rubber things on the end of them, and they all scuff up when they look awful. And,
Yeah.
and I always hated them. Like even back in the 90s, I actually did away with the chrome bumpers and put the plastic ones on there just to get away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, but this time around, I wanted to put the original chrome bumpers back on it again, but didn't want to have the rubber section. So yeah, these are all been custom made. And
so I'll give people a look. You can see how closely it sits to the guard and how flush it is, and doesn't have so much smoother. It transformed the lines of the car. It's just something like that.
Yeah, lots of people comment on the bumpers. So I think everyone hates those. People pick it up often.
Yeah. So the wheel choice, is that, what are these, 18s or 19s?
They're 18s, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, billets.
Custom billets from Pro Wheel in the States.
Yep. Got a bit of dish on the back. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So you mentioned that you had the diff shortened to fit the big.
Yeah, it's got the original Cortina housing in it, but it's been shortened and LSD in it, and R31 brakes on it. Yep.
And the rear bumpers had the same treatment?
Yeah, rear bumpers all been exactly the same as the front, so
yeah, have a look at this. That looks amazing. Yeah, I've never seen one this clean, mate, so it's a credit to you.
Yeah, there's a few around, but they're getting harder and harder to get parts for now.
Yeah. You got an absolutely beautiful interior. So it's all custom interior, is it? Yeah,
it's the original seats.
Yep.
And oddly enough, in the early 90s, I had them all reupholstered, and they were all in velour. But this time around, I decided they didn't want to be velour, so I took them out of the plastic wrappers that I had about 4 years ago. To rebuild it. Took them over to the trimmer, and he goes, "What do you want me to do with these seats?" But velour's just not the thing anymore, so they all got redone again.
Nah, this looks awesome. The two-tone. You've got a sunroof. Yeah. I'd imagine it's not the most common thing on a TE Cortina.
Unfortunately, all the GT guys start ripping off the Cortinas to put them in their cars.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that where they get the sunroof from?
That's where they get them from.
Oh, awesome.
But so there's not many around with the winebacks in them.
Now, pulling up, I could tell that this didn't have a 6-cylinder in it.
No, they're little. Well, it was originally a little 4-cylinder car. Then it went to a 6.
Yeah.
But both of those are long gone now.
So you'll give us a look at
a bit of a sneak.
The heart. Even your headlights, your blinkers, all your lenses.
Yeah, they're all new.
It's a beautiful car.
Some parts are just getting really hard to get now.
So you've got what looks to be a 302?
Yeah, it's the out of a 94 EB XR8.
Yep.
It's basically a stock bottom end, but it's got aftermarket heads.
Yep.
And, cam in it, and all the top ends all been.
So it's got aluminium heads, you said? Yeah, alley heads.
Trick flow top end kitty in it, basically.
Okay. Yeah, sounds nice and lumpy, mate.
Yeah, it goes alright a bit. They're a big heavy motor. You got to do a lot of work to these to get some big power out of them. But
yep.
Yeah, it's only a little car. And at the end of the day, we just want to go for a bit of a cruise and enjoy, you know. Yeah,
no, awesome. So does it? You get a bit of power out of it over stock, you reckon?
Yeah, yeah. Look, it's probably about 300 horsepower.
Yeah, nice.
It is at the wheel, so it goes. Yeah, it goes alright. I mean,
look at the bay, guys. All the bays, and it's engineered, I could tell by that plate.
Yeah, fully engineered. That was a bit of a headache, but it got there.
Look at the little details like this anodized little bracketry and stuff like that. That's how you know you got a good build, mate.
Yes, it got there in the
end. How long did you say that you had the build going for? To get it to this level?
To get it to this, it probably took about 5 years.
Yeah, well, okay.
I mean, it's been in very good condition at one point or a couple of points in its life.
Yep.
But you know, things sort of get in the way, and it got shoved down the side of the house for about 15 years, and it came out looking real bad.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Once you let them sit for a while, especially outdoors, especially Cortinas too. Cortinas are like, I think of them like the XD XEs body-wise. Like you don't look after them, they can deteriorate pretty quick.
It got real nasty, and if it was ever going to get done at that point, it was never going to get done.
Yeah. Okay. No, well, I'm glad you got it done and brought it down, mate, because it's a gorgeous car. Now, do you want to? You got a little boot installed? Do you want to give us a look at that?
Yeah, you can have a bit of a look. It's got just some amps in there. And
yeah, nice. Do you notice that? Just pops up.
And it works.
Yeah, so that's super clean build, super clean boot. It's all sitting in there, all carpeted. No, you've got a really awesome Cortina, man.
Appreciate it, mate.
All right, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to whack a camera in it. Then we'll go for a bit of a cruise down the beach. What do you reckon? The weather's holding up, so. Plus I really want to go for a ride in this, so. Yeah, I'll give you guys one last look. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you again for bringing it out.
Appreciate it, mate. Appreciate the opportunity, it's great.
And yeah, so I'll lock the camera in and we'll go for a cruise. Could be your dodgy battery terminal. Tell me about. Yeah, something as simple as that.
Yeah.
Because I noticed even my Mazda, when I go off throttle to like 1500, it just real hesitates.
Yeah, that's what's going on. I'm at a certain position in throttle.
Yeah. And then I end up, I haven't confirmed it, but I'm pretty sure this is the issue. I played with the plug that connects to the igniter.
Yeah.
I just played with it and the car died.
Oh, right.
And then I played with it again and it'd be missing and stuff. And I reckon I'd pull it off and it's a bit corroded on the plug and igniter. So it could be like the battery terminal, it could be the plug to the coil or something we can check.
Or new.
Yeah.
That's the weird thing. It's only doing it in a certain spot. Once it clears, then it's fine.
Yeah. Does it chew through the dress?
Oh, it doesn't ever.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's shit on fuel.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah, well that indicates to me that it's still probably running way too rich.
Yeah, it's horrible on fuel. And it's a little tank as well. It's got the original tank in it.
No fuel stuff. You want a bit of fuel stuff? Nah. Well, if you do need to, you can stop it.
No, I've got plenty. Yeah, I thought that before I left. So I've gone through over a quarter of a tank to get here. Yeah. Bit of driving around, so it goes through it.
You obviously have another daily or something?
Yeah. But you know, working from home, don't do that much driving anyway. So.
Yeah. Fair enough. How long's it been since you made the decision to start working from home?
Oh shit. Right, just have a shop over in Keilor Park.
Yep.
And we were ready to renew the lease, and the landlord wanted to fucking put the rent up. I thought he wanted to do with it.
Yeah.
And then we time everything we do gets shipped out anyway. So
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, probably 5 or 6 years ago.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it now. Actually, we were over at a friend's place last night. And he said to me, he works in the city on a building site.
Yeah.
And he leaves home about 6:37, and he gets home between 6:30 and 7 at night.
Yeah.
And again, I don't know if I can go back doing that again.
Yeah, that's just like you're literally working, you're not really living.
Yeah, exactly.
No doubt, building. He probably works at some point over the weekends as well.
Yeah.
See one of these with V8 and then not just your average XYW or something.
Yeah. A lot of guys put in a different form. A lot of guys put in the Barra turbos in them now.
Yeah. I was going to say, you might end up getting to a point where you're just over it and you're like, oh, I'll put a straight six in.
Yeah, no, I never do that. Yeah, look, I'm not really all that interested in how much power it makes.
Yeah.
They always wanted to put an 8 in it, you know.
Yeah, awesome. Has he ever been down this way before?
That's been a while.
I live pretty close to this spot. And this spot seems to, like, we always seem to get a good spot there and get some good
It's not that far, is it?
No, it's literally just up here. So. And I remember this spot from back when I was younger and I used to cruise a lot. Everyone was doing burnouts down here.
Yeah, it's coming down past Albert Park Lake and I was pretty tempted.
But just in this way. And then he said I like something. Turn left. So if you just go straight all the way to the roundabout,
yep.
And then I'll show you where hopefully there's some free spots up this way. Yeah, so it's empty taking so we're going to park